Here I am in my PJs watching YouTube because I'm bored. Hi YouTube people. So today I'm going to watch one episode of Bad Days, and it is my favorite episode of Bad Days. It is called Disassembled. It is Disassembled by Junaid Chandragar under Stan Lee's World of Heroes. That's the channel, as Stan Lee's World of Heroes. Internet is fun, and YouTube, and typing with my fingers, a finger type.
Hey gang, I saw a cartoon called
Wait,
Disassembled
headphones!
by
I need
Junaid
headphones.
Chandragar.
Because otherwise, you're not gonna be able to hear me over YouTube. Nice. Left ear, right ear. Yes, I'm one of those dorks that actually makes sure they put the right headphone in the right ear. Shut up. They feel wrong otherwise. Okay. Ooh, Spider-Man hits the helicopter! I loved J.J. Jameson's face there. He was just like... He's so mad. He's just so mad. Why is Sue Storm vacuuming invisible? And why does Johnny catch fire? And why? And then Suit drops the vacuum. You know the next panel is him getting beat the shit out of with that vacuum. And then Silver Surfer just... I love that sound. I'm falling into the sun! Poor Silver Surfer. Aw, Venom dropped his ice cream. This is Bruce's bat. Hulk! Oh, not the Hulk! Oh, poor Bruce. Oh, he had an engagement ring! Oh, that's so sad! He had an engagement! Oh, that's sadness now. Sad panda. Aw. Spider-Man, web! I web you! Can you see my web hand? Web! Okay. And then Dr. Octavius is just like, arm! Sucker punch! Venom has a hat! I love Venom. He's just so stupid. Snakes on a plane! Woo! Tony Stark is hilarious. Tony is just like, and then he fries Pepper. Poor Pepper Potts. I mean, people hate Gwyneth Paltrow, but I like Pepper Potts. Daredevil hits himself in the face with a nunchuck, and the Cupid's just like, huh? I love the look on Captain's face when the building is falling at him, and he's just like, ah! And here's Galactus's bad day. You know, Galactus, it looks like his bad day was just, he was bored. You know, float through space, eat a planet, float through space, eat a planet, planet, space, planet, and it gets kind of boring after a while. Shawarma! Okay, so that was a video of me watching a video on YouTube, because that is how bored I have got. That is literally how bad it has become, is that I'm making videos of myself watching YouTube. But then again, you know, I've seen so many YouTube videos, I thought, what the hell? You know, it'd be fun. It's fun to share my fun with you. Go check out Stan Lee's World of Heroes. It is a really fun, really fun channel. There's lots of funny stuff on it, including 3 seasons so far of Bad Days. Every single one of those videos is hilarious beyond measure. You're gonna love them. So just go check it out. Go check it out. I'll wait right here. Okay. Bye. To quote Jenna Marbles. Bye. Bye, Spider-Man. Except I don't have a Spider-Man. Oh, sadness. But I do have animals. Yeah, jump cut to my baby rats. These are my baby rats. They are so sweet. Except they're not babies, they're big and fat. Oh, look, he licked me. Oh, nice. That's Reaper Chip and Yuki, and they're here to say goodbye, true believers.